Hello guys, down here from the Dynamines. Today I'll be doing a sheep farm as told in the earlier video. So we'll be building a sheep farm today next to my laboratory, and the next day we will be building a shop. So what happened, Trayaurus? So let me get back to you. So what happened, Trayaurus? You sad? You want emerald? No. So you want to do experiments with me? Yeah? Okay, I'll come back to you later because I'm right now recording a video. So let's get into Trayaurus, if that's possible. Okay, that's not possible. So oh, no way. No way. No wonder all the mobs just keep coming in there. So if I could keep it there. All the mobs just get coming into my house without my permission. And that is not acceptable. Not at all acceptable. How can they just come into my house like that? So if I do this, I'm pretty sure they will not be able to jump through. And that's pretty awesome. Wait, let me just try it on my own, or else mistaking the door. Yep, not possible. So last night a creeper came, and as you know, I'm always a creeper magnet. So I got the attention of creeper, and my lab pretty much exploded. Then I had to build a new one. So this is not the new one. The new just a part of the middle area just got busted, and then I just repaired it. So to build the farm, the sheep face, we'll be actually building it. So we'll take a black wool. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. So if I can join it, no, wait. I think that would look awesome. So now that's the face. So now we'll be building the face. For the face, I think so the eye should go there, right? Let me just look at that sheep over there. Awesome timing, sheep. Awesome timing. So the face is gonna there, the black is gonna go there, and then over there, and then over there, and then this point over here. What are you doing, Grim? I know, right? It looks awesome. So let's see if this looks better. I think it is taking shape. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Right, Grim? Doesn't it look awesome, Grim? Okay. So, Grim, doesn't it look awesome? Huh, Grim? Yeah, I knew it looks awesome. So, if I could do that next to that, and that looks like a sheep. So now when we get into this, if we could put doors instead. Okay, that looks pretty dumb. So if we can just keep it like that, and if we can do this, will this look awesome? Nope, looks bad. I think the doors are not needed. So I'll just go sleep and come back to you when it's morning. So guys, I'm back. It's morning. So we were still in this area here. So if we can, okay, we'll just leave it like that, and we will take some blue. because I love blue. Who doesn't like blue these days? Everyone loves blue. So guys, I'll just make a small tunnel. You know, a tunnel is always good for a farm. I'm sorry, Grim. Oh man, oh, I thought he was dead for 2 seconds. Okay, and the farm is gonna be here. I know it's pretty huge, but that'll do. So we're gonna take some sheep, because you know, if we do this in survival, everyone does it actually in creative and they just switch it into survival. But I just even want to be, you know, a little open. So I do not want to keep it a secret, or else everybody will start a rumor that I'm doing everything in survival. That'll be pretty stupid, you know. So everyone does it in. I did not expect that. So if I do that, so it's like defending for me. So we'll need 2 more. So guys, I'm going for tuition today, so I think I upload 2 videos per day. I know, because I have very less subscribers, and if I have more videos, people will watch. Maybe. So comment on the lab if you like it, or if you don't, I will do anything you guys say, except for deleting the world. Because you know, some guys just like to take revenge, so they will tell delete the world, and if I do that, you know, I'm not so stupid. So 20 sheep there, and there it is. Our sheep farm is constructed. So tomorrow we'll be doing well, what should I do tomorrow? The sheep is finished. The doghouse. Yeah, the doghouse. I forgot all about it. So guys, tomorrow we'll be doing the doghouse.